Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. This is your boy, the one and only. We are gonna speak about precious metals. I didn't think I was gonna make another video. I think this is like our fifth time speaking about precious metals. I really didn't think I was gonna make a new video this soon. Gold is on an epic run. And I did say, ladies and gentlemen, long time ago, I said, I know most of the crypto bros were sitting on stable coins. Unfortunately, the play was to sit on gold and silver. We have a super cycle on our hands. There is a bull market somewhere, ladies and gentlemen. And this is a raging bull market. The Nasdaq 100 from 2025 till now has gone up by 23%. Silver from the yearly open in 2025, ladies and gentlemen, it's about to break out again, has gone up a whopping 90%. Gold is also outperforming, ladies and gentlemen. The Nasdaq, the mighty Nasdaq, and it's gone up by 66%. We did say on this channel, gold will outperform and be the best performing asset of this year. There are periods when gold outperforms stocks, and as you can see here, from 1967 to around 1980s, gold outperformed stocks by a whopping 1,500%. As you can see over here, from 2000 all the way to 2011, it outperformed stocks by a whopping 700%. As of now, we're in the early innings of this cycle. It underperformed stocks from 2011 all the way till 2023. Most likely we have bottomed for gold, and it looks like the market wants to head higher to these higher ranges and continue to outperform traditional stocks like the S&P 500. Let's have a look at silver and the S&P 500. As you can see here, it's very similar to gold. We had periods when silver outperforms the S&P 500. Notably, in 1972, when we left the gold standard, all the way to 1980s, it outperformed stocks by a whopping 2,000%. 20x%. Then he underperformed for a relatively long time, went down by 98%, and formed a bottom on the 1st of November 2000. Silver outperformed during the dot-com period all the way till 2011. Cycles repeat, and this time it's not different. We formed a bottom. We could head up to these higher ranges and continue to outperform stocks, the S&P 500, by a whopping 600%. Now, equities are very expensive. There's nowhere to hide now. We have equities, and it looks like this, ladies and gentlemen. Since 2009 till now, we've been in a raging bull market. Will this time be different? Who knows? We've seen super cycles with precious metals before. This time, we could see another super cycle regarding silver and gold. We have another contender that we have spoken about, and it is Palladium. Now, Palladium is interesting. We're just in the early innings of a bull market, ladies and gentlemen. I'll show you on the weekly. We spoke about this before on the channel, and I did buy some Palladium. We are forming a textbook pattern of a bull market, ladies and gentlemen. This is the first innings of a bull market. We bounced on the money line. Every time we form a golden support, ladies and gentlemen, that's a sign of a bull market. The last time we formed a golden support was over here, and it hit this golden support and continued to go up higher for around 7 years, from 2016 all the way till 2022, ladies and gentlemen. And that was a massive increase. There is bull markets out there, ladies and gentlemen. You don't have to sit in crypto and hope for another bull market. Now, this is very different to what I usually speak about, but we got to be honest. There are bull markets out here. So this, ladies and gentlemen, came out in 2021. I was very aware during this time, had a massive valuation, and since then it's gone down a massive amount. I believe around 89%, 95%. There you go. I can say this convincingly to you. I am an expert in bear markets. I really am. I really am. I'm an expert in bear markets. After seeing crypto go down for 3.5 years, I know when I see a bear market. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is done. In my opinion, this is done for the bear market. This was the bottom right over here. We're forming a wedge over here. It broke the wedge. Nice volume stepped in as well. Let me show you the volume. Massive volume stepped over here. Buyers stepped in. And again, huge amount of buyers stepped in. The volume has increased. Once we see a golden cross on the weekly, that's my indication that we're going to see higher prices. This is the first time ever this chart has made a golden support. Now, I don't really care about fundamentals too much. All I can say, I've heard all the stuff about it. I've heard all the momentum. I've heard that they're going to release some R2s. I heard they're going to release some new vehicles, etc., etc. Some folks are comparing it to Tesla. I don't really care. All I know is we have bottomed, ladies and gentlemen. I'm looking for higher prices, dare I say it, of $100. We're going to come back to this, ladies and gentlemen, but this, in my opinion, is a scream of a buy. Gold will continue to make all-time new highs, ladies and gentlemen. Listen, this is not the top for gold. Silver will make all-time new highs. Oh, it has made all-time new highs on the weekly. It's going to continue to go up higher. A lot of folks are going to say it's overvalued. It's too much. No. When gold and silver go on their run, ladies and gentlemen, they go on their run for 10 years. See you in the next one. Peace.